Taho, Taho. No, I'm not going to Lake Tahoe anytime soon. But that is what you hear early in the morning by the vendor who sells taho. Taho is a silken tofu with caramelized sugar and tapioca pearls, which we call sago. It is a quintessential breakfast treat that is peddled by a street vendor who roams around your village and is so much a part of our childhood experience. Every kid who hears taho would run outside with an empty glass to be filled with taho. Such a delightful treat to start your day. I never thought that I would be making taho from home until my friend mentions that she made taho. So Viv, thank you very much for the inspiration. So for today's episode, I'd like to share with you how to make taho two ways. Yep, two ways, and you decide what works for you. Okay? So, tara, let's baguettes! For the first ingredient, I'd like to focus our attention with sago or the tapioca pearls. Don't be fooled by its diminutive size. It takes so much time and effort to cook it if you don't know the process of how to properly cook it. So the first time I cooked sago, I put it in a rapidly boiling water, give it a quick stir, and I waited, and then after 10 years, just kidding, after 45 minutes, I thought this couldn't be. I mean, there was still this big white spot in the middle, and so I was getting frustrated, and I posted it on my Facebook page as well as to this amazing Filipino cooking group. And voila, I got all the answers from these lovely ladies. Thank you everyone for sharing your tips and recommendations. So let's do it again. Let's go, sago. Alright, take two. On the rapidly boiling water, put a cup of sago over like 5 to 6 cups of water. There should be lots and lots of water. Give it a quick stir and then let it boil. Look, it should be popping like that. And then we cook it for 40 minutes. Switch it off. And then after an hour, we open it and it's done. Look how the sago is now clear. We drain it and then put it aside. Look, compare the before and after. And now for the easy peasy part, the arnibal or the syrup. All we need to do is pour 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar and then let it do its course. Stir it from time to time, but let it boil until the liquid is reduced, but it shouldn't be thick because as it cools down, it becomes thicker. So we set that aside too. Now the fun part. I promised you we're gonna make taho two ways. So the first option is using instant soy milk. Buy the regular one, not the vanilla one or other flavored soy milk, and let it simmer. Add 2 tablespoons of knoxx gelatin and make sure to dissolve it. I know this is not fundamentally right as taho should be a bean curd, but then this is a hack and it mimics the texture and the physical appearance of taho, and I promise you it is a good alternative, especially when you are craving for taho. In fact, it is even more finesse and it's like an amped up taho. Trust me in this. Then all we need to do is strain it, let it cool down. I couldn't wait for it to cool down, so I put it on a bed of ice, and in an hour, it was ready. And now the other option, which is more the authentic one, is using soft tofu. Remember to buy the soft one. All we need to do is just steam it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Or until the tofu becomes so soft. The smell of it makes you remember taho back home. There you go. Let's see if it's soft. It's hot. It's soft, so it should be ready. And now that we have all the ingredients ready, let's assemble our taho. So let's see. This is the soy milk. By the looks of it, looks could be deceiving. It does look like a real taho. It's very silky, it's soft, so it was just right that we just put 2 tablespoons of knoxx gelatin because we don't want it to be so jelly and hard like pudding. I love the consistency. Let's do it by layers so that each layer will have arnibal and sago. How's that? Okay, now for the soft tofu. It's soft, just right, but it could still be softer. But the smell, I mean, it mimics the smell of that back home. So I like it that it's warm because the whole back home is served warm, unlike the other one that has been chilled already. So we put our nibble and sago as well. Then we do it by layers. There you go. So let's give it a taste. Tastes like the hot from back home. I could taste the tofu. It's still not as soft and silky as I want it to be. So maybe we should steam it longer. But yeah, tastes like the hot. But it's good. This is the soy milk. I love the texture. It's so silky. Dad, wanna try it? It's a blind test for you, okay? I won't tell you which one, and let me know what you think. Yeah, love is blind, so come on.
This is, if you mix it, if you break it down, that's going to be taho.
Yeah.
This custard, which is really good. I think both. Very different.
Okay.
What you holding?
Thank you. I hope that you will try either or. Like if you want more silky, go with the soy milk. But if you want the authenticity of the taste, go with the soft tofu, and you'll never go wrong. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell so that it will notify you whenever I have new posts. I post every Wednesday, and hanggang sa muli, this is Malou saying thank you for watching, and that's sarap!